And now it's time for the Sea Lion Splash.
Happy holidays, Sea Lions, and welcome to the 12th episode of the Sea Lion Splash. We have an awesome episode just for you. We have a recap of the color run. We have a couple of messages of encouragement from some of our scholars here at the site, and we also have the high school students from the instrumental music program that came over to show us the importance of practicing an instrument and joining instrumental music when you're in middle school and in high school. But before we go on, I just want to say thank you so much to everybody out there that gets excited about the Sea Lion Splash. I really appreciate you guys watching these episodes, pointing out your friends, and just getting excited about being a McGaw Elementary School scholar. Thanks so much, and I can't wait to see you on the other side of our winter break. Thanks so much, everybody, and enjoy this week's Sea Lion Splash.
Happy holidays! Jocelyn.
Hi, my name is Finley.
Hi, my name is Sloan, and we're 5th graders in Miss Wallace's class.
The Color Run was a fun event that benefited 5th grade activities.
We just want to thank all the parents and kids who participated.
Check out the videos and photos of the Color Run.
Bye! Welcome to the Color Run! It's just a reminder to always pick up your trash to help McGaw stay clean. Bye.
Hi, my name is Sophia, and never give up.
There you have it, McGaw. Now remember, listen to your teachers, follow instructions from your parents, take a risk, and I'll see you on campus. Bye.